Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm testing the fractal indicator for the very first time. I've set aside a small budget just for this experiment. Very briefly, fractals show potential reversal zones. When a signal arrow appears, the price often reverses direction within the next few candles. But I've never used it live before, so you'll see the result with me unfiltered. Watch it till the very end. And don't skip ahead, because I'll share exclusive promo codes that can help you get extra money added to your deposit. Good, right? Now let's dive straight into the test. Alright guys, straight into the action today. We're trading on S15. I tested this strategy on S5, but it didn't work well. So now we're trying S15. I'm testing a new strategy with 3 indicators, fractals, moving average and RSI. We'll keep the RSI default, just watching for overbought, oversold zones. The moving average helps follow the main trend direction, settings EMA, period 30. Now the most interesting part, the fractal indicator, the new one for me. Period 2, no changes. What does the fractal show? You see this green and red arrow appears. Unlike support trend, super trend, this uses inverse logic. When a red or green up arrow appears, it suggests that 3-4 candles later the price can reverse. I'm still refining this strategy, pick it up from a blog and now testing it live. Today I'll open lots of trades to mark where not to enter and where good entries are. So as you can see, the first profit we already have, and even first minus we already have. And anyway, let's go next. 5-second experiment. This didn't work, just didn't work. Believe me that here the 15 or 30 second will work better. It's another trade for 300. Boom. Yes, that's good feeling. Okay. Let's do another one. And another one and another one. Oh, so you can see the new green arrow games. So exactly we need to go sell. Also you can see that's already confirmation there. Oh, I will open for 1,200 for 300 trades. What can I do? Let's do 2,000. We're testing the strategy. What we can do? Just to test it. And finally. 2,000 recover losses. Price dropped as we expected, but a bit later than we expected, let me say like this. Let's back to 300. Test size 300 today. The budget not very big. My main budget I withdrew just a couple of days ago, but we'll make deposit soon to show you more action in real life. Okay, it's work. It's work. Maybe sometimes we enter too early, I don't know. Hope you understand the logic that after we see a green arrow, we go sell. If it's red arrow, we go buy. This is the logic. So let's find another signal to test it. After arrow, you can trade 3, maximum 4 candles. The best option, it's first two candles after arrow. It's risky strategy, but scalping is risky, trading is risky, so what we can do? I spent a lot of money to test different strategies, guys. And sometimes you even see that I testing next to you live. Hope you like this type of content. My proven strategies already, I have a lot of videos on this. You can check the channel. It's minus. And also in my Telegram channel. Oh guys, it's such a good content there. Oh yeah, plus. Follow my Telegram channel. It's in pinned comment, all the links. I also have VIP channel. Well, like it's kind of our close trading community. I'll tell more about this in the end of the video. Another trade, another win. Good feeling, good feeling. 600, open, and another 600. And another 600. Minus, bad entry point for me. I will make the notes. I will watch this video again with you and I will make my notes. Now it's live session and just tasting. Anyway, the result is not bad. Instead that you need to use a lot of martingale here. Now it's minus. Why do I open this? Why do I open this actually? 900. It was better to go to another pair. Yes. Okay, let me cover. Let me cover this with 2000. Risk big again. We buy. Finally, candle moves as expected. And boom, profit. Whew. Any profit is good when it's not a loss, right? Let's back to 300 entries. Maybe it's too late to open here. This is the problem. I need to watch this video again, myself, and make my notes about the strategy. Okay, here are the clear. 300, we're going sell on second candle after arrow. But as you can see, I add another 600. Okay, reverse. First 300 is return and in the last minute it's minus. I will open for 1,500. Okay. This looks better. Another 300. Another 300. Well, it's so risky, not very stable strategy. But scalping is risky, as I said before. I still prefer my impulse sniper. But that's today's test, you know. I'm doing for you and I'm doing also for myself to have more scalping strategies. You know, sometimes you want to trade with different indicators, which is good. That wraps up my first live test of the fractal indicator. As you saw, it's risky, needs martingale a lot, and I'm still figuring out the best use. Now, as promised, if you register through my links in the description and use my promo code DARIK, you will get a 50% bonus on your deposit. And if you message me on Telegram, I'll tell you how to unlock an even bigger 60% bonus. That's trading with the bonuses funds is a huge advantage. You can practice and learn with bonus money instead of risking your own, or use the bonus to add to your deposit and open larger trades safely while protecting your balance. All the links and promo details are in the description in the pinned comment under this video. Go there!